This is new, it's fresh, it requires no investment, it's made for complete beginners, and it also works all over the world, and I will walk you through the entire process step by step on how you can actually get paid $3 again and again. This strategy is for beginners, and you need to follow me with the number 1 step, which is to go over to AF Plus. AF Plus is a CPA marketplace with thousands of different CPA offers. You know that the CPA stands for cost per action, which means that in most of the cases, people have to complete a simple action, which is just answering their email address in order for you to get paid, or they are just going to sign up to some platform by entering their first, last name, email address, and creating a password, and you will get paid, so they don't actually have to buy anything, which ultimately makes it a lot easier for you to actually get sign-ups and make money even as a complete beginner. So what you want to do once you come over to F Plus is you want to search for specific offers, and those are mostly related to surveys. So you want to type in survey, and that's going to show you all of these different offers that you can promote that are going to pay you different amount of money. And the one that I want to focus on in this video is this one that pays you $3, or this one that also pays you $30, where people have a chance to make some money off of this platform by completing surveys. If you open it up, you can see that basically they can take paid surveys, so they can get paid for completing surveys. And once they sign up, you will be paid $3. So they don't have to spend any money, plus they have an incentive to actually sign up through the link because they can actually earn something by completing those surveys. So what you simply want to do is you want to join this network. It's always going to be a bit different one because it depends on which offer you select, but you press join network, and then you create an account on the network by entering some basic demographic details about yourself, and then once you get accepted into the network, it's going to take you some time to sign up. By the way, it's going to take probably 5 to 10 minutes, so just go out there, take your time, and then once they accept, you will be able to grab your affiliate link for, in this case, that will be Survey Junkie affiliate offer, where you were paid at $3 per person that you refer. So now what I simply want to do is you want to proceed to the next step, which is to go over to Google and search for Trendry. This is Trendry, or Trendy, however you want to pronounce it, but basically, it's a make money forum. It's a platform where people come to ask and answer questions related to making money online. So you want to click on this, you want to open it up. And there you can see all these people talking about making money online, paid surveys, cryptocurrency, mutual funds, and stocks. So what you can do is you can see that these have 2.5 million views, and you can just open them up and you can post a thread. So you have the post thread button right over here, and you can say what's on your mind. So for example, you can say, I just found a new platform to get paid for completing surveys. And then basically you can briefly tell them about the platform that you found and just leave your affiliate link over there, or in order to not get banned for spamming your affiliate link right away, just tell them you found some platform that'll help you make some money with surveys. And then when people start asking you, okay, what's the platform? Then you reply, and then you give them your affiliate link, and that will actually help you maximize your results, because you will not come across as some spammy person who's just trying to advertise their link and just trying to make some bucks off of